How to uninstall BeReal. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can remove or uninstall this app. First of all, go to the place where your app is located. Now simply just tap and hold on to it. Now on the top, you'll be able to see this eye icon. Simply tap on this eye icon. So these are the settings available. So I'm in this app settings. Here you'll be able to see different options available. Now here on the bottom, you can see this uninstall button. Simply tap on uninstall. Now make sure you want to uninstall this application. Also make sure you have your user ID and password saved, because if you want to log in back and install this application, it will be needed. Now simply tap on OK. Now it will take some time, and as you can see, it has been completely removed from my mobile device. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.